Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So let's solve today's problem. So today's problem is about remove all occurrences of duplicates in a linked list. Now let's see how to solve this problem. So here as you can see you are given with a linked list with nodes having duplicate data. So you need to remove all these duplicate data, and after removing these duplicate data you will get this as your resulting linked list. So let's solve this problem. So what I'll do, I will take a dummy node and this dummy node will point to the head node. My head node is now pointing here, and we will take another pointer P, which is previous pointer, which actually takes care of your previous node, and it will be used when it will be used while breaking the bond and then establishing a new link. Okay, so your previous is pointing to your dummy node. Now what? Now as you can see, you will have two conditions when the data is same and when the data is different. So you will check for two different conditions. When your data is same and when it is different. Since you are traversing your linked list, so your head pointer will always move forward. So your head will be always moving in forward direction. Now what? Now let's traverse this linked list. Your head is your head is pointing here. Is the data of, we will check for the data of your current node and your next node. Okay, so is the data of this node and the data of the next node are matching? Are the data same? No, they are different. It is 23 and this one is 28, so they are different. So if they are different, it comes under else condition. So if they are different, what I'll do, I will simply move my p pointer to the next node. So if you move this p pointer to the next node, it will point to the head node now. So your p is now pointing to this node. So what we did, we moved our p one step forward, and your head will always move forward. So your head will always move forward. Now what? Now let's check this is your current node and this is your next node. So are the data same? The current node is having data 28 and your next node is having data 28. So these two data are same. You need not have to move your previous pointer now. You have to just move your head pointer. Until and unless you are getting a different data, until and unless your data is not matching, simply move your head pointer forward. Here now your head is pointing to here. So it is 28. The data of the next node is 28 again. So if the data is matching, simply move your head pointer. Okay, let's see. This is your data and this is the data of the next node. Are the data matching? No, it is not matching. So far what we did, until and unless your data is not matching, you are simply moving your head pointer forward. You simply move your head pointer forward. So while the data is same, simply move your head pointer forward. Okay, okay. Now what? In the question, I am here asked to remove these nodes, to remove the nodes having same data. But here I am simply moving my head node. How to remove this? So to remove this, I need to break this bond because this node is connected to this node. So I need to break this bond. And what I'll do, I will establish a link between this node and this node. I will establish a link between this node and this node. Now, how to establish the link? I will make use of this previous pointer. What I'll do, I will simply update this next address to the address of this node. Now, how will I get this address? Your head is still pointing to this node. Your head is still pointing to this node, and this node is pointing to the next address as you can see here. So, what you will do? You are here. What you will do? You will simply update p next to head next. What you did, your p is pointing to this node. What is p next? It is 200. Your head is pointing to this node. What is head next? It is 500. So p next, that is 200. 200 equals to head next, that is 500. That means instead of 200, now your 200 will get updated to 500. So if you are storing 500, that means you have established a link between this node and this node. Now this node, which is present at address location 100, is now pointing to the node present at 500. Okay. Now this piece of code will be executed. That is, now your head will move forward. So now your head is pointing here. Fine. Now what? Now let's check for the same condition. Is the data of this node and this node is same? No, it is not same. If it is not same, what will happen? This piece of code will get executed. What is this? P equals to P next. Your P is pointing to here. What is P next? It is 500. So your P will now get updated to 500. So now your P will be pointing to this node, that is 500. And this will again get executed. Now you move your head pointer ahead. Your head will now point here. Now again check. Is the data of this node and the data of this node same? Yes, it is same. If the data is same, what you will do? Until and unless you are getting a different data, you will simply move your head data forward. So let's see. This is your head data. These two data are same. So move your head data forward. Your head is now pointing to here. Now what? Do we have any other node left? No. It is only the single node that we have. Okay. But now we have to remove these nodes, because we are here asked to remove all the duplicate elements. So to remove this, what I'll do, I will execute this piece of code. That is, I will update this. I will update this P next. My P is pointing to the node at 500. What is P next? It is 600. So P next becomes H next, that is head next. My head is pointing to this node. What is head next? It is 0. So P next becomes head next. So P next is now 0. So now the traversal will end. This piece of code will get executed. Your head will be pointing to here. So at the end, the traversal will end. So as you can see that you will get this as your result. Okay, so let's implement the code now. What I'll do, at first, I took a dummy node and pointed it to the head node. So we'll do the same thing here. Okay, it's a dummy node, and we'll point this dummy node to the head node. After that, we took a P pointer and pointed it to the dummy node. Let's take a P pointer, node star P, and point it to the dummy node. Now what? Now we will traverse the whole linked list. And while traversing, we checked for two conditions. One was if the data of both the nodes are same, if the data is different. So we'll do the same thing here. If your head next not equals to null, the data of the next node, if they are equal, then what we did, we started a while loop until and unless you were getting a mismatch of data. You were running your while loop, and while running your while loop, you simply moved your head pointer ahead. So we'll do the same thing. While head next not equals to null, and the data of your current node and the data of the next node is same, then simply move your head pointer ahead. Also, while after doing this, what we did, we simply updated our P pointer. P next was updated to head next. P next was now head next. Okay, so this was the if condition. Now coming to the else part. In the else part, what we did, we simply updated our P pointer. So update this. Since we are traversing this, so our head will always move forward. So this was how you will remove all the duplicate elements. At the end, return dummy next. Let's compile and run. Okay, so you are getting correct output. Let's submit now. Fine, this is working fine. The problem has been solved successfully. So do subscribe the channel to get more such coins popping up on your screen. I will be maintaining this streak from now on. So if you want to do the same thing and conquer DAC with me, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share this with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you guys again tomorrow.